right, let's get the fuck off this island.
Freunde, wir hauen ab.
All right, let's get the fuck off this island.
Wollen wir das Haus
Hey,
jetzt?
can you hear me? I heard
Geht los.
screams in the lab. Something bad's happening. You gotta drop what you're doing and find out what's going on. God damn it, go! Go!
Ins Labor. Oh Gott, nicht schon wieder, oder mal? Schnellreise geht nicht. Ihr solltet der wieder marschieren. Oder wir wohnen. Mal lieber. Scheiße, hätte ich gemeint, dann können wir schon abhauen. Du, warte mal. Schnellreise. Hier geht's, check das. Pass auf, Labor. Geht ja viel schneller. Bombo steht noch. Oh. Die Zombies stehen noch.
I know that did some damage.
Da haben sie diese Deppen scheinbar überrennen lassen. Schnauze. Ja, schmeißt mir die Haxen rum. Ja, Freunde, du fliegen die Haxen. Wir mögen noch. Das ist gut. Nicht shit, ha? So, mir hat er um Dreck gesperrt. Wie ein Viech.
I thought I was going to die. He took my blood once, then again and again. He wanted to bleed me dry, and when I asked him why, he was surprised. The savage can talk. But I ran away from my village to go to the city, to go to school, so I know a person can only lose so much blood. I locked myself in the cage to get away from him, and when he tried to open it, using that computer, he opened them all. And those things jumped on him and tore him apart. I screamed, but no one came.
Westy's dead? How can that be? He almost had the bloody vaccine. He said he knew everything, that he knew how to make it. Wait. What if he did? Maybe he did make it. Do you hear me? Search the bloody lab. It's got to be there somewhere. The vaccine. Find it. Otherwise my Emily isn't gonna make it.
Keine Zeit für Gespräche. Aha, da mal. Was spritzen. Pass auf, wenn ich zum Gefängnis reise, dann komme ich nicht mehr zurück. Gescheit drauf, aus sie doch.
You have it? Thank God. Now take it and don't bloody lose it. I'm waiting for you on the prison island. Hurry! I unlocked all the doors I could. Not very many, unfortunately. I don't have access to much of the security grid since it's on emergency power. We're running on power, and I don't know how long. It's If we lose contact, look for me and block. And for the love of God, if you can't, the prisoners, don't bloody trust them. I'm responsible for a lot of them being here. So if you bring them to me, they'll kill me, and then you.
Something's moving out there. It's more of those things, bro. I don't think so. Moin, that you, brother? Who you got with you?
You keep all quiet, okay? I know how to talk to these mokes.
Überprüfe die Situation im Gefängnis. Toll. Jeder Depp bricht aus und wir Deppen brechen rein. Die Aufzeichnung.
Karen, Jake,
Um die Brotzeit.
I don't know how long
Hunger at me.
I can stay coherent. I
They're
can
okay,
feel the
bro.
sickness inside
They're
of
helping me
me.
get past these
They
dead
say the
fuckers.
first symptoms are
Where's Titus
a
at?
high fever.
Everybody's in that canteen, bro.
Man,
Safest place
I'm
here, right?
sweating. The fluorescent lights are blindingly bright. We made it to the prison and thought we were safe. But the infection...
Now, these boys in here look mean as hell.
There is a contingent of prisoners, survivors, but before we could reach them, we were attacked. And get this, the one who bit me
Was
had
das, der
missing half his
Titus?
fucking
Da
head
drin?
and half his fucking teeth, and he bit me. Shit.
You need some equipment?
Der Brian. Was
Hey,
hast
but
du?
guess what?
Medikit. Ja
I
gut.
showed him.
Eine Flinte hat der nicht.
I took him off at the fucking neck.
Yo, man, you think they been bitten? What the fuck? Ah, look at the fine ass on that one. Stay back.
Oh, well, shit, she fine as hell. Probably infected.
What now?
How did you all get here? Are you infected?
Don't you recognize me, bruh?
Maybe I do, maybe no.
You recognize these?
Nice, brother. But what I really need is a couple of those, right?
We got weapons way better than guns. These people are immune, man. They get bit, they don't get infected. Maybe you could help each other out.
How?
We want to get to Block C.
You heard what the lady said. We want to get to Block C.
Dwight? He talked with us too, brother. But somehow, we couldn't help each other. Nothing to trade. You, on the other hand, maybe we can make a deal.
So, jetzt Mächter. Was heißt das? Achso, Plaudermächter. Eine hinfällige Machete. Der grüne Meile. Sind wir schon soweit?
Alright, I got an idea.
Ja gut, wir plaudern. Wobei, kriegen Schnaps. Kriegen wir nicht.
Cell A314. Been here longer than you've been alive. Mean son of a bitch. You get him out and bring him here. He'll know what to do.
Der Freund von Titus. Such mal.
I can't really turn you down now,
Cell
can I?
A314 solitary.
Don't keep me waiting too long, okay?
Ja, Babe, mach
I
dir keine
can
Sorgen.
stay. I'm not afraid.
Wenn ich zurück bin, dann wir heiraten.
I worry for her.
So, wir reparieren nochmal. Bevor wir abbrechen. Die Magnum. Fahr mir ebenfalls aus. Weg das.
Maybe there's some football fans in here, huh? Who the fuck are you?
He don't want to help us at all.
Was sagst du?
He's just worried about his own crew.
Der Block Zero.
Watch your back, brothers. There's a lot of those undead motherfuckers in that cell block.
Pass auf, was wird da noch geboten? Außer Dodi. Aha. Die Feueraxt. Ja, der Besonders gibt ein bisschen Trouble. Roger. Gott, das reinweise ausrauben. Oh Gott. Das Gute ist, fast tot.
Time to fuck you up.
Herr Big Boy, wo bist denn? Pass auf, die Messerbombe. Die kriegt einen Ronsen. So, da unten eindeutig was die Socken gehaut. Wer? Also. Die kommt schon von drum. Pass auf, wie missert nach oben. Geile Waffe. Pass auf, da gibt die Drinks, so gut. Sauf das Klump weg. Da ist ja, tagmittlich. Nimmt nicht jetzt, Jung. Aha, da bläht er rum. Da darf der Franz. Ja, das Getriebe voll.
I'm gonna bury your ass.
Ja, Nero, größeres Problem. Machen wir gleich. Probleme können wir lösen. Wenn selber mit dem Hackel. Warte mal, Brecheisen. Möchte nicht um. Ich bin ein Metzger. Und ein Metzger braucht doch gleich Messer. Ja, Mann, hinterstehen.
What is saying, you motherfuckers? You need to unlock doors. Go to the control room and figure it the fuck out.
Der Kontrollraum. Aha, der da hinten irgendwo. Achso, da waren wir schon. Da wo ich nicht reingekommen bin. Das wäre der Ober geschrien hätte. Hätte ich nicht einfach rennen müssen.
Not so tough now, are you?
Der Kontrollraum. Aha, das haben wir richtig. Was gut. So, ein Triegel Thomas. Brot hat er mal gemacht. Die Party bricht aus. Toll. Was geht da los? Der Alarm. Der ist draußen. Was ist das? So, der wird tigern. Was sagt, da gehen wir hier. So gut, ich halte ab. Mein sind da.
Over here, moron!
Aber hallo. Hat von Freit beide Haxen abgehauen. Pass auf. Schluss damit. So, der will wieder mal eskutieren. Halt Profi-Eskutierer. Da mal ja so gern.